Hi guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a super quick Ipsy unboxing for October. If I look sleepy or like I'm sleepy, it's because I just woke up. I fell asleep and I just wanted to do this before the light went away. And if you see things here and there, it's because I am moving, and if you see stuff everywhere, just ignore that, please and thank you. And let's just get started. This month's theme was, I have no idea because they're not posting it on the app anymore. But here's the bag, and I tried looking for the theme, but I can't find it. And on here, it doesn't say anything. It just said, who said nights were for sleep? Hashtag Ipsy after dark. Is that the theme? Not sure. But on here it says, we all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird and expectable things that go down when you stay out late and post 11 p.m. Outing is this killer excuse to take some beauty risks. Here's a few night owl approved ideas to get you started. Test drive a vampy lip shade. And in this month's little pool of products, Trust Fund Beauty's liquid lipstick in Call the Psychic. It's a deep magenta, and that will make a statement even when worn on its own. Take a peek at our site, ipsy.com, or app for unexpected nighttime looks that are way easier to create than you think. While you're over there, review your products so we can make your next bag even more for you. I love reviewing their products. They've always had a really nice review system. You know, 5 stars, company review, color review, item review. So, but they still have some items here and there that they send because they want you to try it out. But I hope they stop that, because every time they send me something that they want me to try out, it's something I don't want. And it says, wear one accessory you normally wear. Could be a faux fur buried in the back of your closet or the clunkiest jewelry you have. Put it on and don't second guess it. Well, I need to do that, but I've been just buying new stuff because I'm getting rid of lots of old things. And then it says, hope your October glam bag inspires endless after dark adventures. Stay wild, moonshine. Oof. I'll show you guys the item that I first grabbed. This item is a Zumiez Glam blush. I'm still asleep. Brush. And it's for eyes this time. I know I've gotten some before, but I really just didn't want them, so I let it go. But this time, I don't know, I might keep it, but it's nice. It's a pink handle. This is the top. It's purple and blue, and I really like it. Next is this cleanser from Murad, and it's an essential C cleanser. And let's see how it smells like, actually. Let me see. I don't smell anything, to be honest. All I smell is my vampire blood hand soap from Bath and Body Works. And it has like a little burst of yellow in here. And let's see. To use, AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck. Rinse and pat dry. You can use this anytime on your face, and I love cleansers, so I just love every time I'm getting a cleanser, especially Ipsy ones, because they're not too big, and if I like the small size, I could get the full size. And this one is a good size, and it matches my shirt too. And then number 3 is something that everybody's crazy for, and they're surprised to see an Ipsy, because it's a Tarte shape tape. It's a little baby one. I don't know if they even sell these or if I've ever seen these, but I've never tried shape tape. I know I need it, but I've never tried it. And they're giving out all kinds of colors, and then the one they gave me is light medium, which is my shade right here. Let me swatch it for y'all. It actually smells like fresh skincare. Here's the wand. You've probably seen it so many times. And here's the color. Since I've never used it, I know I've heard nice reviews, and it's just nice to have something that everybody raves about that is super expensive. That's why I've never gotten it. And I just always liked ColourPop concealer anyways, so it'd be nice to use this someday. Let me know if this is your favorite so I can give it a try sooner. Oh, also the bag is black from the inside, and it just has like a circle for the little zipper. But I like it. It's pretty soft, and the bag, it doesn't feel any plasticky, and it's just very nice quality. Next in here is in this tube, and it's from Wonder Beauty. and it's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. To use it, use smooth and even layer all over face, avoiding the eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes or until mask is completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Another seal, and it smells nice, and I believe it's purple. I don't want to take any out and waste it because I'm actually gonna use something like this later on. I just ignore this, but I do have a little bit of makeup on, so I don't want to put this on. I've gotten a mask from Wander Beauty before, and that was in BoxyCharm. Last item, oh yeah, this is the last item, which is the item they're like, oh, you might like this, but I don't. Because it's tiny eyeshadows, and I sometimes like them because I've always kept them. But there's people that actually want tiny eyeshadows, so I don't mind giving it to them instead of just, you know, keeping and never using. I could post a picture of swatches because I won't be opening this. And it's in the color Plum Lace, and then it's a duo eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see. And then I'm gonna buff in this concealer. Okay, that didn't take long. Here it is all blurred out. This month's bag was really nice, and if you noticed the description box down below, I usually rate my bags. Since it's 10 items, I usually just see if you know, like give rates, like this would be a 2, something like that. And the eyeshadow, I mean, it's not bad. Pixi's pretty cool, I guess, so I think I gave this month a 9 because I did give it a 1 point. Like if it came to it, like I would use it. It's not like I hate it. But then if it's eyeliner, then that's like 0. And an extra point from another product. I hope you guys like this super quick unboxing. Sorry about the mess everywhere. Sorry about the lighting. It's evening and I just wanted to do this. I have to do school stuff and just been a little tough lately, but I'm doing it. And yeah, let me know what you got in your Ipsy, and let me know if you've ever tried the products that I've gotten and if you think I'll like them. And give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Hopefully more tutorials for Halloween. Bye guys.